Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome aboard. If you like to watch wig tutorials and if you like to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and stay tuned for this gorgeous unit. Today I am reviewing another sensational unit. It's from the Wet Lace collection. It's called the Butta Unit 3 in the color T4/wine. And this is what the card looks like. And I have been doing mad sensational units on my channel these past couple weeks because they have dropped some new heat. So I want to see what it's about. I was a little bit nervous about this Butta unit because everyone was talking about the 1 and the 2 and how the lace ripped easily, and I was like, oh man. But I did see a tiny tear in my lace. I think the issue is that the lace is too thin. They're trying to do the wet lace with the HD undetectable, but it's too thin. So I tried to be as gentle. Knowing that information, I tried to be as gentle as possible. But as you guys can see, what lace? What lace? So I got this unit from Wig Types and it ranges for about $40, and there is an upcharge for specialty colors, just so you guys know. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well, but them adjustable straps are way too big. The cap size, I would say, is big hip friendly, definitely, so they did good with that part, but the adjustable straps, I had to connect the straps together in order for it to fit tight on my head. When I would put the straps in their little loops, it kept coming undone and the wig would, just fall off. I had to connect the straps with each other in order for me to, have a nice fitted cap on my head. This unit is pretty. You guys, if you have been following my channel, you know that I want to go on vacation. So yes, I'm bringing you some more vacation vibes today, and I'm feeling this curl pattern. It's giving me some cute beach waves. I did finger them out. Unlike my review with Letitia, if you guys haven't, make sure you check that out. I didn't finger them out because I bought so many units. Like, I'm trying to have a wig sale. I'm not trying to mess up the units any more than what they are, to sell them. So I was like, you know what? Let me just finger through, because it was very, very thin without the fingering. So yes. This is what it looks like with all the hair in the front. So it is a nice amount of hair. It's super long and there's minimal shedding. And because the unit's so long, I'm sure it's going to tangle, and it has a curl pattern to it. So yes, it's definitely bound to tangle. It's not that much on the thick side. It's actually very I don't know if you guys can see the hair, but it's very thin, very, very thin right here. I can feel it, so I'm pretty sure you can see it. But since I'm back here, I'll just give you a 360. Yes, so I don't know what's going on, but it is a little on the thin side in the back. So I had to do the hairline off camera. My setup isn't where I can like have all these things plugged in at the same time, so I ran to the bathroom to fix it. But I just cut the lace. I use my beauty blender underneath. Since I had locked the adjustable straps, it made it really tight on my head, so all I did was spray the blasting spray down. I used my blow dryer, and then I gave myself some edges. And I didn't cut anything because I didn't want to, you know, overdo it, and I used my little brush with my MAC press powder, and I just went in with that, and that was pretty much it. It was easy. I don't know if maybe I'm getting better, which I think I am, or if they're just listening to us and making these units easier. So I'm feeling this. This is some cute summer vacation vibes, and yes, I hope everyone is staying safe during their quarantine. What have you guys been doing? Leave some comments below and let me know what you guys have been doing. Me and my husband have been paying off some debt, so I'm so excited about that. Lord knows that I'm tired of credit card debt. So I paid off 2 cards and I got 2 more to go and I'll be finished. But if you guys are working out, make sure you guys check us out on Amazon. The link is below. We sell cooling towels. You wet, wring, and you shake the towel, and it keeps you cool during your hot, sweaty workout. My mom uses hers for her hot flashes in the middle of the night. The towel stays cool all throughout the night for her. So if you guys want to support a Black business, yes, the link is listed below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.